MLAI software company present. QR code-based contactless guard patrolling system. Step 1, scan QR code at location/checkpoint. Step 2, verify guard details with identity. Step 3, capture live photo. Step 4, confirm the detail. Step 5, live attendance mark. Key feature: location-based guard management. Location-based QR code for guard patrolling. Track guarding patrolling 24/7 from the manager panel. Track live patrolling of guard. Plant guard patrolling management. Guard patrolling details report. Multiple location-based guard patrolling. Call us for demo +91 88000 23217. And visit our website www.mlaisolution.com.